Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Happy Thanksgiving to all. We made it. And we got another one. You guys can check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping and get the best deals right now they have going on with the Cyber or Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up. You guys could check these guys out and see what other goodies they have to offer. Here we go. Pop goes a weasel. And we got, here is something. Oh jeez. What in there? Whoa. Now this is cool. Definitely something new here. We got the James Bond technology. This is stuff exciting right here. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, wait. Pretty heavy. But you guys could get one at a low cost. I'm going to figure out where to install this, but I'm going to show you guys the first part right now. This is going to be the unboxing of this eLinkSmart lock. Your key to better life and a better world. Alright. Check it out. This is a really nice setup right here. We got the password protection, IC card, key. Sounds like a hotel kind of like security setup for your man caves and your gaming areas and stuff like that. This will be really cool to protect your stuff. Mobile phone, remote unlock. Oh, that's awesome. Or you can use it as your front door, back door, whatever door you come out of. Really cool. Nice design. Got the silver and black. Alright, let's get into this. Definitely exciting stuff right here, guys. So, and I'm sure they got some great deals going on right now. And I'll have the link down below in the comment section and in the description. Here we go. Definitely now in these times, definitely need to step up your home and home security. That was my Alexa. She was going off. Come on out, baby. This could be fun stuff tonight. I'm going to do the setup. I gotta charge my other phone, but I want to get the unboxing at least so I can see what's inside and what I gotta deal with. Manual, easy peasy. I got notifications going off everywhere. Gotta love technology these days. Oh, never thought it would be like this. Another manual. It's like one of those smart manuals. Ooh. Okay, we got the Ethernet. Oh no, power cord. So you gotta have some kind of source to charge it. I think. What do we got here? Oh, we got the handle. Ooh, nice. Really nice. Got that bling bling to it. It's cold, because it's really cold outside by us right now. Got a... Yeah, buddy. So that's what that looks like. Should wear my gloves. But, what else do we have in here? Oh, that's for the back. The other side. Alright. Shaka-Khan. Bam. So it should be an easy install. Just gotta figure out what... Oh, we got the keys. Oh, we got the keys to the Jeep. Boom. We got that. Alright, 2 keys. Nice. I'm not gonna do the install now, but it'll be done in a minute. Got your... This. Oh, we got some brackets. Some mounting. Not sure why the mounting's for. Got a lot of investigating to do. Like I said, I don't know nothing about this. We'll figure it out. And hopefully I could get it done. There's a nice keypad right here. Got the wires back here. Power. Alright, alright. That looking sharp though. It's got a speaker? What? Heck yeah. Maybe thumb or key or something? Definitely, I'm gonna look into this. And now we got this. Got this one. Smooth. Really smooth. I don't want to scratch the table too much. And then we got the lock. Yep, right there. I think that's it. Oh no, we got some screws. We got some bolts. What's this? What is this thing? Get out. Oh. This is a camera? I didn't know that comes with. Whoa. Definitely need these. You guys can see it's a camera. This is crazy. This is going to take me a minute definitely to look into. So it might be a few before this video gets uploaded. But hopefully everyone has a good Turkey Day. This might be uploaded Friday, hopefully. Might be a long one. So like I said, I never installed these, but I want to give it a shot and show you guys what this great company has to offer. So we got a cam, eLinkSmart cam. Nice. So this is a nice little bundle right here. You can see who's entering your cave. If it's someone's trying to hack your, break into your home, someone's trying to use a keypad. You got the camera pointing right at the door. Boom, you got them. But hopefully you guys never have to experience that. I never did, knock on wood. But definitely it'd be a creepy sight to see. But I'll be back in a little bit. Alrighty, so here we go. We got the QR, my little QR scanner for my Google Android. I'm going to scan. There it goes. I love smartphone. And now you got to hit install button. It should take me to the, yes, there it is. Oh, I kind of have installed, alright. So there it is. That's what it pulls up. Now it's going to ask me to APK self-start. So you could set it now or later. I'm going to do it later. Set up later. Okay, I think I had whatchamacallit, bedroom cam from them. This is going to be a, I think it's a PTZ camera. I don't want to show you guys my password. Hold on. QR code. I think there's a QR. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers. The QR code is right here on the end page. So once you get into this setup, you hit the QR config. And you want it. Oh, okay. I know what to do. Alright, this is what you want to do. It tells you how to do it. And just hit done. And then it pops up that. And you just go. Hold on. Sometimes you got to position it right. It might be too low.
Scan the code.
Alright. Sweet. See that? It scanned it. Then hit next. And the camera should be like this. It's connecting to my network. I think I got the password right, so hopefully I did.
Wi-Fi fail.
Oh shoot. That was my password. I figured it out. It was my Wi-Fi password. I set it wrong. So it got me on that one. So we got two of them. Like I said, I had the other one from the previous unboxings. And connection is abnormal. Let's see if it loads up now. Maybe it's this one. There we go. Look at that. Confirm. Everything's upgraded. No longer remind me. Confirm. So you got to look at that. That's clear. You flip it. Holy smokes. Oh, look at that. You could adjust. Swipe down. Wow. Alright, we got that installed, so I'm really happy that that came out really easy. You can see it rotating. Look at that. That's smooth. Gotta love technology. And that's where it's shining at right now. See, turkey. Happy gobble gobble day. We're gonna hook these up in a little bit. My friend is coming on the way. It has time, date, and all that. So I'm gonna have to do the settings on that. But look how clear that is. That's smooth. Oh geez. You can see me. You see me? There you go. So check them out. I'll be back with the install. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got my friend over right now, ready to install. We got it taken apart. There's where the 4 AA's go. Got that all ready. In a few minutes, we'll have it up. Doors right now. It's gonna be this kind of style. So give us a few seconds. We'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the one part installed. There we go. Got it nice and easy. Good brackets in and the wire coming out. We're gonna put the batteries into that one and plug it in, and then slap it in, and then scan a QR code. I'm gonna have that ready, and I'm gonna set the passwords and everything later. But really cool so far. So I'll be back. Alright, YouTubers, now we're gonna work on the mobile app for the security features and everything. We got the Android or the iPhone. I'm gonna use the iPhone or the Android. Type in QR scan. So here's my QR code reader. Here's that. Scan it over. There you go. Pop that up. We're gonna open that. Okay, that's still coming from that one. So I'm gonna have to add as a new device. It's gonna be I think it's gonna be the battery video doorbell. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. We got it all hooked up. My friend just installed it. Got right the 4 batteries right there. We just gotta put the cover on. She did talk. I just gotta go on the app and set up my passwords and set up probably my thumb. You can put your thumb here, and right here is the USB backup or power backup, whatever you want to call it. You can run your power banks to it. So really cool stuff. Check them out. Link will be down below. You guys have a good holiday. Be safe, and see you guys soon.